Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
First, pause and confirm the exact ban reason shown on your account page. Read the email from Roblox carefully for timestamps and rule references. Look for specific rule names like cheating, scamming, or abusive chat violations. Record the ban date and any message ID or case numbers mentioned. Do not create new accounts to bypass a ban. That can worsen your case. Prepare a concise timeline of events with dates and server names if applicable. Keep tone polite and factual when you prepare your appeal message. Open the Roblox support portal and choose the appeals or support ticket option. Write a clear subject line with your username and ban date in digits. In the body, state the facts chronologically and explain any misunderstandings politely. Attach screenshots, chat logs, or video evidence showing your behavior or server context. If you apologize, be sincere and avoid blaming other players or Roblox staff. Mention if you have no previous bans or complaints on your account. Submit and then wait. Response times vary from 24 hours to several days. Check your email spam folder regularly for replies from Roblox support. Do not harass moderators or open duplicate tickets. That slows resolution time. If appeal is denied, accept the decision and review community rules carefully. Use the wait period to improve behavior, create compliant content, and learn rules. For temporary bans, note automatic reinstatement times and avoid repeat violations. Stay patient. Persistent, courteous appeals are more successful than angry demands. If you believe an error occurred,
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.